Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ziegler.
Hi, it's Miss Richardson.
Today we're going to play a game to help us learn about coins. We're going to play Tic Tac Toe, which many of you are familiar with. The idea of this game is to get 3 of your objects in a row. And if you do that, you win. So to start the game, you and your partner each need to pick. Are you going to be heads or tails? Miss Richardson, what would you like to be?
I'll be tails.
Okay, so I'll be heads. So you're going to go ahead and start, and you're going to put your coins down on the side that you said.
Okay, so I'm tails, and I'm going to pick up this nickel. Now the nickel is worth 5 cents. On one side you have Thomas Jefferson, and on the other side you have his house, Monticello, and it says how much it's worth on the back, 5 cents. So I'm going to put the tail side up because I'm tails, and I'm going to put him right there in the middle.
Okay, so I'm heads, so I'm going to do the head side. Okay, I'm going to do the quarter, which is worth 25 cents. On the front, it's George Washington. On the tail side, it's the eagle, which is the presidential coat of arms. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in the corner.
Okay, next I'm going to do the penny. The penny is the only coin that's this color. It's worth 1 cent. On the tail side, the side I'm going to use is the Lincoln Memorial, and on the other side is Abraham Lincoln. But I'm going to need the tail side, so I need his memorial, and...
Okay, so I'm going to use the dime this time. So I have Franklin D. Roosevelt on the head side, and on the back I have an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So, where am I going to put it? I think I'll put it on this corner.
All right. So I'm going to use the other nickel, and it might look a little bit different, but because it's a different profile or a different angle of his face, different side of his face, but it's still Thomas Jefferson. But I'm going to use the back side, the tail side, and I have to block Mrs. Ziegler.
Okay, let's see. I'll use another quarter, and George Washington again is on the quarter, and the eagle on the back. So I'm going to have to block Miss Richardson.
So now I'm going to use, Now some of the newer quarters are a little bit special. They have one for every single state. So this one happens to be for North Carolina. So I'm going to use the tail side, so the side that does not have George Washington, and where am I going to put it? There's a head and a tail, and I'm going to try and put him here.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the penny with Abraham Lincoln. I'm going to put, I need to block Miss Richardson again, so I'm going to have to put it right there.
Okay, and I'm going to use our last dime, and I'm going to put it right here.
Looks like it's a draw.
It is a draw. Nobody won that round.
Okay.
Okay. So if using all the coins is too much of a challenge for your child, you can start with 1 until they learn it and then play with other coins. Or if there's 1 or 2 coins that they're still learning, you could use the coins that they're still learning to help them practice. Let's play again, this time with just pennies. So now we're going to play with pennies. Now, similar to the quarters, there's some new pennies that look a little bit different on the back. So you can go first this time, Miss Ziegler, because I went first the last time.
Okay. So I was heads. You want to be heads this time?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start here again.
Okay. And I'm going to do my heads here.
Okay. So let's see. I'm going to put the Lincoln Memorial right there.
And I'm going to put Lincoln himself in the middle to block you.
Okay. I may have gotten you this time, Miss Richardson. So I'm going to put my tails there.
Alrighty, I guess I'm going to have to block you.
And tic tac toe, 3 in a row.
Oh,
no! 1, 2, 3.
Look at that, you got me. Have fun.